Alright, pulling up a chair. Alright, give everybody a little bit to get on. Hope everybody's had a great day today. I just got back for put my daughters on a sugar high. Probably shouldn't have done that, so that took their little melatonin, and they're going to sleep now. So gonna give everybody a second to get on. If y'all can see the title of the video, got pizza all over my shorts. Y'all got to see the title of the video. There's a few talking points I'm gonna get on this, and it's not to piss anybody off, excuse my French. It's not to rattle the cages. It is not to grind anybody's gears. This is not what this is about right now. I'm looking at the title of this video. It is gonna be my mindset with what I said on the title of the video is going to be, yes, there's a marker. It's like all the videos, hey, water won't stick to my paint. No, I'm not gonna throw the marker at the car. So where I'm going with the video is going to be the new guys. DIY, I don't know, whether you've been doing this 10 years, 20 years, 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, you wanna get into paint correction. I want this video to help encourage you. I want it to take some stress off, take the edge off, relax a little bit when you're doing paint correction, because the more I watch YouTube videos and see things in my timelines, the more it's, I don't want to say it's frustrating, but there's this persona of every person, or some people doing paint correction and stuff like that, that the paint's flawless. And I'm gonna just shoot you right now straight. I have seen $300,000, $500,000 cars, and straight from the factory, paint's fudged up. Okay, so $500,000 car and the paint is already fudged. Okay, and we're talking drip streaks. We're talking dust particle on the paint, got hit over with the paint machine, stuff like that. So there is no such thing as perfect paint. I don't care if you wet sand 1500 all the way down to getting it flat. There's no such thing. Now, I have a respect for chasing perfection, if you will. Hold on, let me turn that light back on. Within reason. I think there's, there's a reason to have a high standard, but when you start chasing this perfection, or you chase it so much to where it stresses you out while you are doing the job, and you're like, oh my gosh, the client's gonna kill me if this isn't, and the client doesn't even look at that area, and you spent 20 hours in the car, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 6 days, whatever, doing paint correction, and they don't even look at it. It kind of just goes, oh man, okay. Now, here's the thing. What everybody does in their business, I respect that. I have a high respect for that. If you do wet sanding and you got a lot of clear coat, there's different levels of different degrees of different things that go on within this industry. And some clients understand what's going on with the wet sanding. As long as they understand it, I think that's a good thing. As long as there's education behind that. But if you're actually chasing this perfect paint, perfect job, perfect everything, interior, exterior, every time, you're gonna stress yourself out to the point you're gonna hate doing this. You're gonna hate it. I promise you. And you're gonna be there so long, you're gonna be giving up time with your family. You're gonna be stressing out because you didn't make a baseball game or piano recital or whatever it is, because there's this, like, everything I'm seeing on media it's perfect. Every car I do is not perfect. I tell my clients, even the ones in this group, they'll tell you, I'm gonna win on gloss all day long. And the other thing I'm not gonna do is sacrifice your clear coat more than I need to get the imperfections out. Because why? I want to be able to come back if something ever happens. I want to be able to come back and fix those areas, because I was smart They trusted me. I controlled expectations to leave enough clear coat on there to fix another problem coming up, okay? I'm gonna say something, and it's a little profound, I guess you could say, a little bold, and it's not me being cocky. Perfection is a disguise for insecurity, okay? Perfection in this stuff, in detailing, it's a disguise for insecurity. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of this stuff getting portrayed as it's perfect, and it's not. I'm going to be the first to tell you it's not. I don't care if it's concourse detail, $13,000, pulling it apart, nut to bolt. Guess what? The second it leaves, you ready for this? The second it leaves, the second it goes out into the public, it starts driving on the road, stuff gets on it. Dirt gets on it. It gets micromarred. Anytime you touch your paint, you micromar it. Anytime you touch the coating, it micromars it, okay? I'm just being real, okay? There's no such thing as perfect paint. There's no such thing as perfection. And I admire you chasing it and doing it perfect within the reasons and the parameters that were around, okay? But if you're new at this, if you're new to detailing, if you're new to paint correction, I want to please encourage you to do not stress yourself out so much that you think this client has been watching YouTube videos all day, and they're gonna come up and go like this to your car and go, how dare you miss that spot? How dare you miss that spot? I've never had it happen, okay, first of all. Second of all, if they do see something like that, I've already brought it to their attention way early on and told them, look, we got about 3.6 mils of paint. I'm not comfortable. I won't. It's my resume. Your car is on me. If I fudge up, it's on me. They're not going to pay for the new paint job. They're going to look at me and be like, that's why you have insurance, right? Yeah, I'm like, yeah. But do not stress yourself out to that point, okay? I think it's great to get perfection up. Feels really good. But if you keep grinding and grinding and grinding, accent on it, well, guess what? We're getting rid of clear coat that we probably don't need to get rid of, okay? So just step back, take a deep breath, and breathe. I'm trying to give, I've been seeing it a lot lately, and I want guys to get some, it's okay. I don't, all mine, they're not. There's a lot of gloss. Yes, I get good pictures and stuff like that. I'm literally just snapping and moving. I have fun taking pictures because it's a passion of mine. I like showing the body curves, what the paint looks like, stuff like that. This is not perfect, okay? I got this hood pretty good. There's some stuff that you're gonna see some divots in here and everything. It's a 1999, okay? There's stuff in it. I'm okay with it. I drive it. I mean, for the love of God, here, hold on. Look at this one, right? Oh yeah, it's a beautiful one. No such thing as perfect, okay? All right, it looks great. You're gonna have to really get your nose up to that one to really see, you know, the perfection of my car. And if somebody goes, you're a detailer and that's on there, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I bought this to drive it, bro. It's just me, okay? So give yourself a break, cut yourself some slack, control the expectations with your client. Yes, it's a 99, Jason. But just be honest with them, tell the truth. Be you, because I promise the clients you have are attracted to you because you're you, but just take the stress off. Show them what you're gonna do. Even do a test spot. Bring them in for the test spot. Show them. I think the more transparent you are, the more open you are with your clients, the better off it's going to be for you, just because they're gonna appreciate how real you're being with them, how genuine you're being with them, and you're shooting them straight, and you're not hiding anything. I don't think there's anything wrong with that, and it will take a lot of stress off. So that's really what I just wanted to say tonight. So if you're new to this and you're getting your feet wet into paint correction and everything like that, this whole thing of getting all these defects out and everything, give yourself some slack, okay? Yes, there's a learning curve to it, you know, but you get better with time, all right? So I'm done. I'm off my little thing. I'm not trying to preach. It was more just trying to give some encouragement and just talk about from where I came from in doing this. I'm going to tell everybody straight up, I'm not the best in the business. There's other people that are way better out there than me doing this, you know? But at the same time, I have a different approach, how I do things and how I run my business, and, you know, I'm okay with that. So I love y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Don't overthink it. Give yourself, you know, a little grace. just remember, you know, perfection is a disguise for insecurity. So I think anybody that's showing that it's perfect, they may be dealing with some stuff inside, and that's just, you know, they're kind of working their life out and just kind of growing through whatever they're going through. Okay, so I'm not knocking anybody for it. So love y'all. I'm done. I will catch y'all later. Love y'all.